Welcome to the Crypto Basics course, Volume 1 for Beginners. I'm your instructor from Flying High Crypto, using AI voices for clarity, here to make the world of cryptocurrency accessible, understandable, and profitable for you. We at Flying High Crypto have designed this course diligently and meticulously with our human wisdom to guide you step by step through the fundamentals of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. By the end of this course, you'll know how to confidently navigate the crypto landscape. You'll understand what cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are, how to use exchange platforms and wallets, and master the essentials of sending and receiving crypto. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your strategies, this course is tailored to help you succeed. This course is perfect for anyone eager to dive into the world of crypto, from complete beginners to those with some experience who want to solidify their knowledge. Whether you're looking to invest, trade, or just understand this exciting new financial frontier, this course is designed for you. Thank you for considering the Crypto Basics course, Volume 1 for Beginners. Enroll now and start your journey to becoming a self-made crypto enthusiast. Check out the course description and index to explore further.